uh, we are taking into stock transfer. Okay, here we can see the actual physical transfer happening between the store location and between plants. Okay, so generally we have two methods in all the cases, even in the store location or in the plant. One is one step procedure, second method is two step procedure. Okay, so generally in one step procedure what happens, if I do a transfer stock transfer, okay, if I am doing from 0001 to 0002, okay, to store location, when I post a transaction from 0001, okay, when I save it directly, it will be available in 0002. Okay, that is one step method. Okay, in kind of two step method, I have to first issue from the issuing store location, then for the receiving store location I have to do another transaction. Okay, then only it will update. Okay, here only it updates in one store location. Okay, another store location will be updated after another transaction. That's why it is a two step method. Okay, that is the difference between one step and two step method. Okay, so that is the difference between one step and two step. You can see in one step it is remove and directly place it into the receiving location, but in case of step one, means two step, we have to remove in one transaction and we have to place it in storage in another transaction. Okay, so generally the two step method will be preferable in case of the store locations are for each other, right? Then actually physically the material has to move from one store location to other store location. It will take time, right? So then if physically material is not available in the receiving store location, so it will be a problem, right? To give it to customer or give it to production. Okay, so material physically will not be available even if it is showing in the system. So in that case, clients are going to use this two step procedures. Okay, generally. Okay, so this is store location one step method. Okay, you can see 311 only in one movement type. Okay, we can move the stock from this store location to this store location. Okay, similarly for different stock types and different movement types are there. Okay, 311, 323, 325. Okay, between unlisted and quality and blocked stocks. Okay, similarly in case of two step method, okay, here it is not specifically based on three stock types. Like in case of two step, it always only from unlisted stock to unlisted stock. Okay, it will not allow from quality or blocked. Okay, because this we are actually doing between one solution to other solution, which are for each other. Okay, so in such case, we have to use 313 as a one movement type. This is for issue. This is to receive. Okay, to receive in the receiving store location. Okay, the movement type. So similar apps which are there. Okay, to do this one also. So all here in all inventory transactions, right? All goods movement in Migo only we can do it. Migo post goods movement. Okay. So this is app. This is Migo. Okay. So similar way we can do it here as well. Okay. Start to stock. Okay. But these two transactions are more easy and it contains all kind of options are available. Okay, related to goods movement.
Hey, yeah, let us see now the demo for transfer posting the store location one step and two step method. Okay, so one step method. Okay, so it will be using you with movement type 311. Okay, that is between unrestricted stock to unrestricted stock between one store location to other store location within the same plant. Okay, this is a one step method. Okay, wherein we have to go to transfer posting option. Okay, other and 311 is the movement type. Okay, so enter all the details the transfer posting from one destination tab. Okay, I'm entering the material, the plant. So I have the stock in 0001 store location. Okay, I'm entering that. So there is no stock at 0002. I'm entering here. Okay, enter. So all the data is copied. Okay, we are moving this with one step method. Okay, so it is copied. So quantity we have to enter one that is there in the stock. Where so 311 check the movement type everything is correct. Okay, if it is fine then you can ready to check Any issues? No issues? Post. Okay. So now the metro document has been created. If you check the metro document, display, so metro document. So now if you go and check the stock here, okay, you can see the stock is available in 0002. Okay. Earlier before posting it was in 0001 stored location. Okay. Now it is moved to 0002. Okay. Now go back. So in two-step method, how we do the same? Let us transfer from 000 to 0001. Okay, with the two-step method. Here we have to do not use transfer posting as an option because the two-step method we have to use first remove from supplying store location. We have to select as remove from storage. Okay, other and 313 will be the moment type. Enter material 2072 same plant. So now stock is there in 0002. Enter that and we need to move to 0001. Okay, enter. So all the data is copied here. Material, quantity, because quantity we have to enter it manually because system doesn't know, okay, what is the quantity. Because it all depends on now what we are expected to send. So we have to enter the quantity. So all the data is there, copied, check, okay, post. Okay, this will not post the stock to other store location, but when we post it, it is removed from 0002, but it will be in the stock in transfer status. Okay, if I display metro document, okay, if I go here, so it won't show any stock here. See, there's no stock in 0001 also. Even 0002 we already removed. Okay, so here if we can see that stock in transfer. See, it is in transfer. Okay, it is in transfer store location. Okay, it is not neither 0001 nor 0002 the stock. Okay, now we have to do another step. Okay, wherein when it is actually received, physically received at the destination store location. Okay, place in storage. Okay, this is the one we have to do. Other, so 315 is the moment type. Select material quantity, so one, where. So moment type is already taken, plant 1000, so we need it in 0001. Okay, we already removed from 0002. Okay, now check. Yeah, okay button is already selected. Check. So all looks good. Post. Okay, now if I go and check the metro document, display metro document, if you check the stock here, so now see the stock came back to 0001. Okay, this is a one step and two step method will work for store location transfer. Okay, in neither of the cases, there won't be any accounting document because it is happening within the within the plant, two store locations. So value wherever it may be, it is the same value. Okay, there won't be any change. So there won't be any accounting document created in this case. Okay, thank you.